See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I'm going to go and find my brother. We're going to go get some lunch together.
We can change pretty much anything we want.
Hello, bro.
Including font sizes and
Working on a
spaces
puzzle?
in between.
I made that sign right there. Have I mentioned that before? Lunch was good. You just touched a penis though, right?
This is not. I didn't. Well, yeah, sorry, I touched the penis. Yeah,
You brought your dog stuff.
yeah.
And yeah, apparently there's any penises in there for dogs. I don't
Definitely,
understand that. How do you know something from the same animal?
Well, that's two different animals. One's
Alright.
a cow and one's a pig.
Okay. What animal was the penis attached to?
A bull. Once
Okay.
upon a time.
You ready?
Almost.
We're flying the drone.
The SD card is in, isn't it? Yeah. Still connecting, just a sec. There we go. Right, ready?
The drone's really struggling today because of the wind, and we're trying to get some time lapses. I find that generally you want to keep the camera in place for about 1 minute for a good time lapse, and that's just if you're like speeding the footage up. This one doesn't have like a time lapse feature, so just 1 minute of steady footage is normally good enough to. Where's it gone? It's gone. It's normally good enough to get a good time lapse. I'm always surprised that I think these seagulls keep trying to go for it. Can't even see the seagulls now, they've all gone. There's loads of seagulls here and they do try to dive bomb the drone as it's flying around. I'm trying to edit this video, but I'm falling asleep. I need to go and buy some more Coca-Colas because I haven't had enough already, clearly. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.
I feel like whenever I'm in your vlog, I'm just shopping for food.
I'm Kenneth. This is my Barbie. In pink.
What type of Barbie am I?
Your crochet Barbie. Yeah.
Bistro meals.
It's poke bowls every day in this house.
In the office.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Maya's going home now, so she's going to leave me to do some editing for the rest of the evening. Bon voyage.